Hello everyone, I hope you're fine. Stay home, stay safe. Our lesson today is about food. Humans need to eat to grow and stay healthy. Our diet must have foods from different food groups. So eat to stay healthy and be fit. Food groups. We have 5 food groups as you can see here in that picture: fruits, vegetables, grains, protein and dairy foods. Again in this picture we can see food groups: dairy foods, vegetables, fruits, grains and protein. Fruits and vegetables, as you can see here in that picture, they help to keep you healthy. And now watch that video about the importance of fruits and vegetables.
Are you looking for ways to eat healthier? Then look no further than vegetables and fruit. I'm Chris Callahan, a registered dietitian at the Middlesex London Health Unit. Adding vegetables and fruit to your meals and snacks not only adds color, taste and enjoyment, but also is an easy way to boost your nutrient intake. Vegetables and fruit are chock full of nutrients like vitamins, minerals and fiber. They also contain antioxidants, which help to keep us healthy by protecting our body's cells. Vegetables and fruit can help your body fight off diseases like heart disease, stroke, and some types of cancer. Eating Well with Canada's Food Guide gives us recommendations about the number of servings of vegetables and fruit to eat each day based on age and gender. If you look closely at the Food Guide servings, they're not as big as you might think, and the servings add up quickly over the course of the day. Unfortunately, even though we know vegetables and fruit are good for us, the majority of Canadians fall short when it comes to eating them in the amounts recommended. We need to take action to eat more vegetables and fruit each day. You might be surprised that it isn't as difficult as you might think. When making and preparing vegetables and fruit, they need to be washed, handled, and stored properly to ensure they're safe to eat. There are simple steps you can take to help ensure that the produce you eat is safe. For more information about food safety, please visit the food safety section of the Middlesex London Health Unit website at www.healthunit.com.
Dairy foods like milk, different cheeses and yogurt. Dairy foods are made from milk, and milk comes from animals such as cows, sheep and goats. Dairy foods help your bones and teeth to grow strong. Your bones and your teeth. And now watch the video about the importance of dairy foods.
In the dairy group are foods that are made with milk, such as cheese and yogurt. Dairy foods are important for healthy bones and teeth. Just like meat, fish and eggs, dairy foods are a good source of protein. But they also contain a mineral called calcium, which is very important for our bones and teeth. Almost all of the calcium in our bodies is stored in our bones and helps to make them strong. Why do you think it's important to have strong bones? Our skeletons give our bodies their shape, hold us up, and protect our insides. With the help of our muscles, our skeletons also help us move. Our bones do most of their growing when we are young. So it's especially important for children to get plenty of calcium so that we grow up with strong bones. Dairy isn't the only food group that contains calcium. It can also be found in green leafy vegetables, such as cabbage, and in a food called tofu. What are your favourite dairy foods? Perhaps you like yogurt at breakfast time, cheese in your sandwich, or a glass of milk to drink.
Proteins. They are found in meat, fish, eggs, and beans, as you can see here in that picture. Proteins help to keep our muscles, eyes, and skin healthy. They also help to stop us from getting ill. So they help your muscles, your eyes, and your skin. And now watch that video about the importance of proteins.
Muscle building. The key to building muscle is protein synthesis and cellular repair. Skeletal muscle is made up of long fibrous chains containing proteins. Bundles of thousands of fibers make up the muscle itself. When an athlete engages in a heavy workout, this structure is damaged, causing micro tears in the muscle fibers. The body naturally repairs this damage by mending the torn fibers. The result is a muscle that's larger and stronger than before. And with each additional workout, the athlete adds bulk, strength, and speed.
Grains or carbohydrates, as you can see here in that picture, like bread, like pasta and rice, they give us energy and warmth. And now watch the video about the importance of carbohydrates or grains.
Hi guys, my name is Sienna, and today I will be talking about why carbohydrates are so important to the human body. Your body uses carbohydrates from food that you eat to produce glucose. Glucose is a type of sugar that can be used immediately for energy or stored away to be used later, and it's also your body's main energy source. The energy that you get from glucose powers your brain. This is how you're able to get hundreds on your test, and it's also the reason why you get so hungry after classes. There are a huge variety of foods that fall under the category of carbohydrates. Fruits such as strawberries, mangoes, bananas, and watermelons are all carbs, and believe it or not, vegetables like peas, potatoes, and lima beans are even included too. There are two main types of carbohydrates, simple carbs and complex carbs. Simple carbohydrates are found in fruits, vegetables, and dairy, as well as in sweeteners. Complex carbohydrates are the kind found in breads, cereals, pasta, rice, beans, and peas. Many carbohydrates also supply our bodies with fiber. Eating foods that are rich in fiber can prevent stomach and intestinal problems such as constipation. It can also help lower cholesterol and blood sugar. It's much easier and more convenient to get fiber from food than by taking dietary supplements, because all you have to do is eat. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans 2010 suggest that most adults should get 45 to 65% of their calories from carbohydrates. And since carbohydrates contain 4 calories per gram, it is recommended that you consume 225 to 325 grams of carbohydrates on a daily basis for a 2,000 calorie base diet. If you guys thought this video was sweet, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.
And now, a balanced meal should have all food groups. Now watch this video in which I explain to you how a balanced meal should be. Hello my dear students, I hope you're fine. Okay, our lesson today is about a healthy meal. Okay, a healthy meal should have 5 groups of food, starting from vegetables. Vegetables, yes, your meal should have vegetables like pepper, carrots, cucumbers, of course tomatoes, okay, to make salad. Salad is very healthy and let's. So, number 1, your meal should have vegetables, different kinds of vegetables. And of course, number 2, your meal should have different kinds of fruit like oranges, guavas, strawberries, bananas. Okay, so your meal should have different kinds of fruit, vegetables and fruits. And your meal also should have grains or carbohydrates like rice, like bread, okay, and dairy products like yogurt or cheese, and protein like eggs and meat, okay. So as you can see here, your meal should have 5 groups, okay. Vegetables, fruits, grains or carbohydrates, dairy products like cheese, like yogurt, and protein. And you should also drink a lot of water, okay? So a healthy meal, as you can see, should have these 5 groups of food. And you eat a certain amount of each group, okay? Thanks for watching. I hope you are fine. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.
Welcome back again. Now it's time for an activity. Dear students, make a short video and tell us about a healthy meal. Send your videos on ips6october2@gmail.com. We are waiting for your videos. We come to an end to our lesson. I hope you understand our lesson today. Until we meet again, I wish you all the best and bye-bye.